Hello students, in this video we are discuss about 11th standard computer science chapter 3 topic secondary storage devices. A computer generally has limited amount of main memory which is very expensive and volatile. A computer generally has a limited amount of main memory. This main memory is very expensive and this is volatile. Okay, so to store data and programs permanently, if you want to store data and programs permanently, so the secondary storage devices are used. Okay, permanently store any data or programs, the secondary storage devices are used. Secondary storage devices serve as a supportive storage to main memory and they are non-volatile. The secondary storage devices are supportive to main memory. Secondary storage devices supported to main memory and they are non-volatile memory. Okay, the secondary storage is also called backup storage. So another name of secondary storage is backup storage. Okay, first one, hard disk. Hard disk is a secondary storage device. Hard disk is a magnetic disk on which you can store data. The hard disk has the stacked arrangement of disk accessed by a pair of head for each of the disk. The hard disk comes with a single or double-sided disk. Hard disk is a magnetic disk. Okay, this is a magnetic disk. It can be used to store data. Next, hard disk has a two heads, pair of heads. Pair means two. So, two of heads for each of the disk. The hard disk comes with a single or double-sided disk. So, hard disk is single-sided disk or double-sided disk. Okay. Next one, CD. CD, what is the full form of CD? Compact disk. What is the full form of CD? Compact disk. This is the secondary storage device. A CD or CD-ROM is made from millimeters thick, 1.2 millimeter thick. Okay, the CD or CD-ROM is made from 1.2 millimeter thick polycarbonate plastic material. CD is made up of polycarbonate plastic material. A thin layer of aluminum or gold is applied to the surface. A thin layer of aluminum or gold is applied to the surface. CD data is represented a tiny indentation known as pits. Okay, CD data is represented a small indentation. This indentation is known as what? Pits. Encoded in a spiral track module into the top of the polycarbonate layer. It's encoded a spiral track module into a top of the polycarbonate layer. The areas between pits are known as lands. The areas between pits are known as lands. A motor within the CD player rotates the disk. The motor within a CD player rotates the disk. The capacity of an ordinary CD-ROM is 700 MB. Ordinary CD capacity is what? 700 MB. So this is another one. Secondary storage device. Next secondary storage device is DVD. What is the full form of DVD? Digital versatile disk. Okay, digital versatile disk. A DVD or digital video disc is an optical disc capable of storing up to 4.7 GB of data. Here CD minimum capacity is 700 MB, but here 4.7 GB data. Okay, DVD stores 4.7 GB of data. More than 6 times what a CD can hold. Okay, more than 6 times. DVDs are often used to store movies at a better quality. Like CDs, DVDs are read with a laser. Okay, next CD and DVD are read with what? Laser. The laser lights using read the data. Okay, next the disk can have one or two sided. Disk can have one or two sided and one or two layers of data per side. The number of sides and layers determines how much it can hold. Double layer siders are usually gold colored, while single layer sides are usually silver colored like a CD. Okay, double layer sided DVD usually gold colored, while single layer usually silver color. Okay, it's look like a CD. Okay, so next another storage devices is secondary storage device is flash memory devices. Flash memory is an electronic non-volatile computer storage. Electronic non-volatile computer storage medium that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. They are either EEPROM or EPROM. It can be either EEPROM or EPROM. Examples of flash memories are pen drive, memory card, etc. Flash memories can be used in personal computer, personal digital assistant, digital audio player, digital cameras and mobile phones. Flash memory offers fast access time. The time taken to read or write a character in memory is called access time. What is access time? The time taken to read or write a character in memory is called access time. Okay. The capacity of the flash memory vary from 1 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. The capacity is what? 1 gigabytes to 2 terabytes. A sample of flash memory here. This is the flash memory. So this is another one, secondary storage device. Next secondary storage device is Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a high density optical disc similar to DVD. It's look like similar to DVD. Okay, Blu-ray is the type of disc used for PlayStation games and for playing high definition movies. Okay, PlayStation games, it is used for PlayStation games and for playing high definition movies. A double layer Blu-ray disc can store up to 50 GB of data. This is a double layer DVD can be stored up to 50 GB of data. DVD use a red laser to read and write data. DVD use a red laser, but Blu-ray uses a blue-violet laser. Okay, DVD use a red laser and Blu-ray disc use a blue-violet laser to write. Hence, it is called Blu-ray. So, it is known as Blu-ray disc. Okay. Okay, students, thank you.